Hello, hello, hello. It is such a day, such a mighty fine day, such a day, such a mighty fine day. Oh, yes, it is. It's a great singing day, and I'm going to go over how to belt safely, but with some other things that I'm going to give you. Last week I gave you start out with 2 head voice exercises, then do chest voice, but don't do it like really high. Do it at a comfortable pitch and then build from there. I did the exercise. I'm not going to start there. I know, and then I know. This is all chest voice, nice, big, and strong sound. This is the true belting chest voice, not the mix, which a lot of people call belting. Okay, so now I'm going to give you another exercise and tell you about something I have to do in a song that helps me when the chest voice that I want to do is like it's just a little bit too high, but I have to maintain the rest in chest voice. So let's go and get started. Right now, I'm going to give you this exercise. Hallelujah. Remember, you're going to open that mouth. You're going to lift the cheekbones up. Sound is high off the roof of the mouth, okay? Now, again, it is not hallelujah, yeah, or up here, yeah. And mine is thin. It's the mix. It's really, yeah, there. That's not the sound. It is, yeah. It is nice and strong, okay? A lot of times it gets confused with mix, and you think down there, if you're loud and you're in the mix, that you're in chest voice. It's a deeper sound. All right, so here we go. Okay, should we have the drums? 2, 3, breathe. Hallelujah. Wait. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. I'm lifting, I'm still in chest. Hallelujah. In chest. Hallelujah. Now I'm going to come to a point where that true, hello honey, where that true chest voice starts to leave off. And if you'll notice, the high note will start to go in a mix. But I didn't lighten up in order to get it early. I allowed my muscles to lighten up. The only caveat is you can't have a hissy sound. You don't want to have any gravel in it. It needs to be clear. All right? So I'm going to go down and go in. And what we're going to do is it'll start to transition into the mix. And you'll notice the difference, okay? Right at the high. Ooh, don't do that. Computers have a mind of their own. Okay. Here we go. Hallelujah. Chest. And. Hallelujah. Chest. Hallelujah. I mixed, didn't I? Hallelujah. So, on this exercise, doing it, hallelujah, hallelujah, I'm going to hurt myself. That's what happens. Belters push and try and get those high notes. That's where you're going to hurt yourself. And instead of me hurting myself, I went, hallelujah. It's a jump, but it forced me. So the one before that, I needed to know for this exercise, for the ah sound, hallelujah, I needed to transition there. Hallelujah. Yeah. There we go, Marquita. Hallelujah. Now, when I do another one, arrivederci, I can hit arrivederci. Notice, listen to how that is. It's different because of the vowels. Arrivederci. No, so I am able to hit higher notes because of that exercise that has da. And when I did the other vowel, I wasn't able to hit that. So now you've got to be conscious of, what can you do when you're going to hit those notes? I'm going to do arrivederci again. And notice how it will allow you to go to higher notes and you'll transition very easily. Arrivederci. Now, I'm really lifting up. Arrivederci. 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 Oh, here, listen. Arrivederci. I'm changing. Right up there, I changed. I did the mix or I did a head voice. It just depends on my strength. But that's a D flat. Okay? Before, I was though over there at the B, B4, above middle C, and I was having a hard time hitting it. Even though there's a jump, and usually having a jump in between your chest voice and going into the mix, it's easier to do than just going from one note to the next in the mix. Okay, that makes sense? Because, oh, there's the cat. Spartacus, he wants to go out. He's going to have to wait. So now, I'm up here, and I'm having no problem at all, and my changeover was fine. So that means that there's going to be different situations in your songs, and one transition is going to be easy. Another transition is going to be hard. It depends on your vowels, how you feel that day, yes, okay? And then it depends also on the strength of your muscles. It all depends on you. Okay, and his tail just came up. Spartacus is circling the camp now. He says, I'll circle her. She'll let me out. And I'm not going to do it, okay? Do you think I'll win? I don't know. Okay, so, arrivederci. That. Arrivederci. Higher the note. Higher than the hallelujah. Now, if I try and do that at hallelujah, hallelujah, I'm going to kill myself, and I'm not going to do it, okay? But I'm going to do it here. Arrivederci. Arrivederci. Okay, so remember, different vowel formations, where you're jumping from one note to another. Do you hear that? He needs voice lessons. Voice therapy, maybe. Different vowel formations are going to cause you to either be able to do the transition or be able for you to do chest voice, or you're going to have to transition into the mix, which is what you need for belting high and doing notes that are beyond the true belting sound, that true chest voice sound. Okay? So, I have given you whatever I can with this, with the kitty going, yeah, okay? Yeah, listen, there, he copied me, okay? All right, now I just want to tell you that if you want to go over and strengthen your voice, if you want to have great transitions, knowing what you're doing when you go into your songs, where you can where you can transition and where you don't want to because you're going to hurt yourself. And that is in the vocal workout course that I have, as well as private lessons. So check it out. Come on down and join me, okay? Go to marquitawaters.com, leave a message, subscribe, okay? Ring the bell, leave a comment. All right, because it's such a day, such a mighty fine day. Woo. Bye, 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 bye.